Yet another shoe has dropped in the president's latest inspection trip of a flood mitigation project in Barangay Bulusan, Bulacan, where shoddy construction and the use of substandard materials were uncovered in today's presidential ocular. As a result, the spotlight has been trained on one St. Timothy construction contracting firm that needs a lot of explaining to do, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
Kailangan pasagutin natin kung bakit ganitong ginawa nila. Mas mabuti pa, dapat pumunta sila rito, pakita nila gano'ng kahirap ang buhay na binigay nila sa mga kababayan natin.
This was the challenge issued by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to St. Timothy Construction Corporation for the failed rehabilitation of a river protection structure in Barangay Bulusan, Kalumpit, Bulacan. In his inspection earlier today, the president himself saw the huge deficiencies in the project when it says in the report he got that the project has already been completed. The data from Sumbong sa Pangulo website shows that the revetment rehab project in Barangay Bulusan cost 96.4 million pesos. But the president himself saw that the river wall is short by 200 meters. The chief executive also deployed scuba divers, and they discovered the weak integrity of the underwater part of the river wall. The president was also dismayed with St. Timothy's failure to conduct proper dredging and desiltation.
Nakita nyo ba? Ang babaw na, natubuan na yung lupa, natubuan na ng halaman. Ganong katagal sila hindi nagdidisil. Pero sa record nakalagay, disilted. Ang pira.
This is why, despite the fact that weeks had already passed since the successive storms and habagat hit the country, some houses in Barangay Bulusan remain submerged in flood water. Residents are also complaining about heavy flooding during rains and high tide.
Agos dito, tsaka yung dyan sa may patubig na yan, malakas ang agos yan, kaya nilalagyan ng yero. Kasi yung mga nakatira doon sa loob, kawawa po.
Ngayon lang nangyayari yung sunod-sunod na laki ng tubig na ganyan. Dati hindi naman ganyan eh.
The president said he will summon the officials of St. Timothy Construction Corporation to ask what happened to the project and about the almost 100 million pesos payment. Meanwhile, a resident from Kalumpit sent a letter to President Marcos Jr. to report the alleged use of substandard materials in a dike project in their village. The chief executive also encouraged the public to continue to report irregularities in flood control projects in their area through the Sumbong Mo sa Pangulo website. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.